HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hi friends! What are we drawing today? Zigzag, zigzag, 3D stairs. The trick is drawing the lines diagonally, which creates an optical illusion. Time to draw the magic outline. Now, let's paint it. Color. Which color do you want to start with? Green? This looks new because it's blue. What next? Think. It's pink. And then, hello? It's yellow. Blue. Green again. Then let's pick orange. The 3D stairs already look fantastic. One more time, red. And the last step. Let's paint it yellow. Now, what color have we not used yet? Purple. Let's paint it all purple. The staircase looks sparkling and brilliant. This was amazing. See you later. Keep drawing. Keep it colorful.
Look at this magical floating hot air balloon. Let's begin. A square for the basket. 2 lines to connect the skirt. And a big balloon. Cover the balloon with lines. And done! Time to paint. Start off with red and then green. Purple, the color gold, pink, cyan, orange, green, and red again. What a pretty balloon! Let's quickly complete it. Sea green for the skirt and golden for the details. Yay! Ready to fly? Woohoo! This is magical! Here is our lovely hot air balloon. See you next time. Hey kids, let's draw some yummy popsicles. Let's draw a rectangle with curvy sides. And the ice cream stick. Join all the curvy lines just like this. Now a watermelon popsicle, a triangle, and then the stick. Add the seeds too. Easy, wasn't it? For the next one, draw the yummy popsicle and the stick. Let's add some stripes. And done! It's time to paint. First green. Add some pink. Let's use golden too. Paint the stick as well. Wow! On to the next one. Green and red for the yummy watermelon popsicle. Let's paint the seeds. Of course, don't forget the stick. For the last one, let's use some pretty purple. And sky blue too. Golden. And pink. And last, some green. Don't forget the stick again. Wasn't it so much fun drawing yummy glitter popsicles? Let's make a spaceship today. Make a half circle and 5 slanting lines. Join these lines with 2 curvy lines below. Wasn't that easy? Now let's make legs for the spaceship. This is fun, isn't it? Let's make buttons. Our spaceship is ready. Now let's color it. Let's color the lines we made green, red, yellow, and pink. Now color the half circle we made with sky blue. Almost there. Let's color the curvy lines with dark blue. Color the legs of the spaceship orange. There you go! Our spaceship is ready. Let's go for a fun adventure into space.